So now let's see how we can show and hide grid lines and formula inside of Google Sheets. So here you can see that by default, I got these grid lines right here. So if I want to hide it out, then I can go around over here onto view just like this. And if I were to disable the grid lines right here, then you don't see the grid lines anymore. You can still select out the cells, but unless you have formatting right here, you don't see the grid lines anymore. So I'm going to go around over here into view and click on grid line to enable that out again. If you want to see out a formula, let's say for example, if I were to press equals right here and type in 1 plus 1 and enter, then you can see that I see 2. But if I want to see the formula itself on the cell, then I can go around over here onto view, click on show formula, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can see the formula instead of the data. You can go around right here again onto view and disable the show formula right here to see out the result. And that is how you can show and hide grid line and formula inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.